Good morning. So you have learned that in present continuous tense, first form of the verb plus ing is used. Okay? If the verb ends with e, then e is dropped and ing is added. But if the verb ends with double e, then ing is added directly. Okay, now we will continue the same tense, present continuous tense. See the spelling notes for present continuous tense. Okay, when a verb of one syllable has one vowel and ends in a single consonant, this consonant is doubled before ing. I will explain it with example. See the word hit. So the last syllable is T, है ना? It is a consonant. Okay, and before T what is coming? There is vowel. So if vowel comes before consonant, then what will happen? T will be doubled, hitting. Right? Another example, run. Again the same case. U is a vowel and it is preceded by a consonant. Okay, so running, N is doubled. Stop. Again O before P is a consonant, O is a vowel, O is coming before P, so P is doubled, stopping. Another thing, a final L after single vowel is, however, always doubled. See the word signal. So before L what is there? Vowel is there. So we will double the L, signaling. L will be doubled. The same case with travel. The last is consonant L, and before L there is vowel, so L will be doubled, traveling. But if a verb ends with Y, ing can be added directly. See the word carry. It is ending with Y, so we will add only ing, carrying. Enjoy. The same case, it is enjoy is ending with Y, so only ing is added. Hurry. Again, the word is ending with Y, so ing is added. Hurry. Now you see there are some uses of the present continuous tense, where it is used, how it is used. For an action happening now. So if you are doing some work presently at the very time of speaking, then also you will use the present continuous tense. I am teaching. It means presently also I am doing this work, right? You are listening. You are listening my lecture. So this is going on. So this is the present continuous tense. The action is happening. The fan is moving. So it is moving. It is happening just now. Ram is writing an article. The same thing. The action is continue. He is writing. She is preparing breakfast. Again, the breakfast is in, the preparation of the breakfast is in process. It is going on. The action is continue. Another use is for an action happening now, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. In the previous example, what was happening? The work was going on at that very time. But sometimes it may happen that the work is going on but not at the time of speaking. See, he is learning French these days. So learning is a long process, it may take 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, but it is because the process is going on in the present time, though it is not at the time of speaking, but still it is the present continuous tense is used. He is doing graduation. Graduation takes 3 years, isn't it? But because the work is continue in present, so he is doing graduation, the present continuous tense. I am reading Ramayana nowadays. So not at the time of speaking he must be reading the Ramayana, but the work is continue these days. Another use of present continuous tense is for one's immediate future plans, definite arrangements in near future. I am going Delhi tonight. So in the night he has a plan that he will go to Delhi, but he has used the tense present continuous tense. I am going Delhi tonight. Am going. First form of the verb plus ing. I am meeting Suman this evening. So in the evening he has a plan that I will meet Suman. The PM is visiting accident victims this evening. Again, this evening the PM is going to visit the victims. So present continuous tense is used. Now we will take some examples of affirmative sentences, negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Affirmative. We are preparing the science models. It is an affirmative sentence, no negative element, no interrogation. They are running. Now negative. So in negative sentences, we will use the helping verb is, are, am and not. She is not crying. Is added, not is added. Mehras are not shifting to Bombay next week. Again you see Mehras is plural, so are not. Interrogative. Is she cleaning the form? So the helping verbs are is, are and am, which will come in the very beginning in order to make it interrogative. Next example is army doing the drill. Now we can change them interrogative, negative interrogative also. So see the examples. Aren't they washing clothes? Is he not studying? So what we have learnt is that is, are, am plus ing will be used in the present continuous tense. If we change them into negative, is, are, am plus not will be used. If we change them into interrogative, the helping verb is, are, am will come in the very beginning. Okay, that's all for today. We'll continue.